Marriage was never meant to be easy, but it was never meant to fail this often either. So before you rush into forever, ask yourself one honest question. Is marriage still worth it today? This video is intentionally short because we value your time. Thank you for listening, and thank you for sharing. Our goal is simple: to bring you thoughtful, unpublished series you can listen to, even if you only have 5 minutes. Marriage was never intended to be simple. However, it shouldn't be plagued by failure either. Therefore, before committing to forever, consider one important question. Is marriage still worthwhile today? This video aims to be concise, as we respect your time. We appreciate you listening and sharing our message. Our mission is straightforward: to deliver insightful, unpublished series for you to enjoy, even if you can spare just 5 minutes. Divorce carries a cost that many overlook until it's too late. It's not just about paperwork or signatures. Instead, consider the quieter expenses, the emotional toll, the mental strain, the financial burden. Lawyers receive their fees. Systems continue without pause, yet families feel the repercussions. Divorce rarely arrives with a bang. Instead, it creeps in gradually. Conversations become shorter. Silence expands. Tension turns into the norm. What adults deem starting over often feels chaotic to everyone involved. Cash can vanish in an instant. Savings can dwindle. Dreams can shift. Security begins to feel elusive. However, the deeper costs remain hidden. Trust becomes delicate. Confidence begins to wane. Finding peace becomes a challenge. Individuals don't merely lose a partner. They lose familiarity. They lose support networks. They lose a sense of stability. Even when divorce is essential, it's never straightforward. It alters schedules. It changes priorities. It affects emotional reserves. Children adapt. Adults learn to cope. Yet something inevitably changes. This discussion isn't solely about enduring at all costs. It's about comprehending the implications before making a decision. Many enter marriage without grasping how costly separation can truly be. This is true not only financially, but also emotionally. Divorce imparts lessons. However, some lessons come with a steep price to experience firsthand. That is why being patient at the start is crucial. It's why being intentional matters. The importance of making thoughtful choices can spare years of rebuilding down the line. Marriage warrants careful consideration before making a commitment. Separation consistently carries a higher price than most anticipate. Before embarking on this lifelong journey, pause for a moment and reflect on the essence of partnership. Consider the foundation built on trust, respect, and shared dreams, and how these elements intertwine to create the fabric of marriage. Every discussion about lifelong commitment should respect the complexity of relationships and recognize the sacrifices involved. Remember that love is just the beginning. It takes diligence and continuous effort to nurture it. Acknowledge the realities that come with saying, "I do," and prepare for the emotional landscape that inevitably unfolds. Seek readiness in your heart and mind for the journey ahead, understanding that it requires more than just passion. It requires intention and resilience. Though beautiful, marriage can also be challenging, and facing those challenges together is essential for growth. As you navigate the twists and turns of marital life, be aware of the subtle daily decisions that either strengthen or weaken your bond. Each moment spent together can serve as a building block or a fracture point, determining whether your partnership flourishes or falters. Engage in open communication, where feelings can be shared without fear of judgment, fostering a space of safety and understanding. Remember, patience and empathy can transform disagreements into opportunities for growth. In the face of adversity, lean on each other, reminding yourselves of the love that initially brought you together. These efforts require ongoing commitment, making the journey not just a choice, but a rewarding endeavor. Divorce can shatter dreams and realign lives, but the impact extends far beyond the marriage itself. Children perceive shifts in behavior. They sense the tension that arises when love falters. Adults grapple with newfound uncertainty, navigating unfamiliar territory while attempting to rebuild a life that once seemed stable. Marriage rests on a delicate balance of love, understanding, and ambition, where both partners must strive to maintain their connection. As they embark on this journey together, it's crucial to recognize that their choices will echo through the lives they've built. influencing not just their own future, but the future of everyone around them. Before saying "I do," it's imperative to engage in meaningful conversations about expectations, goals, and aspirations. Set aside time to explore each other's visions for the future, as clarity in those areas forms a strong foundation. Navigate through potential challenges by discussing how both partners will handle disagreements or financial pressures down the line. Understanding how each individual approaches conflict can prevent misunderstandings from widening the rifts between them. It's also beneficial to outline shared values that will guide decisions throughout marriage, ensuring that both partners remain aligned in their journey together. Consider also the importance of nurturing your friendship while embracing the commitment of marriage. Building a solid foundation of companionship enhances resilience against life's inevitable hardships. When each partner remains a close confidant, the couple can share vulnerabilities and fears without hesitation. As intimacy deepens through honest dialogue and shared experiences, numerous challenges feel less daunting. Alongside love, kindness and humor play vital roles in sustaining a healthy partnership, allowing for moments of joy amid the chaos. Prioritize connecting regularly, whether through date nights or simple conversations, as these efforts reinforce the bond that initially drew you together. As you consider the delicate art of communication, remember that it's not just about exchanging words but truly listening to one another. Engage with an open heart, allowing space for vulnerability and authenticity. Acknowledge that no one is perfect, and mistakes will inevitably occur. Approaching such moments with grace fosters a culture of forgiveness and understanding, essential ingredients in sustaining a healthy marriage. Focus on expressing appreciation for the small gestures, as the subtleties of gratitude can amplify feelings of love and connection. When life's stresses creep in, remind yourselves of the joyful memories you've shared, using those moments as anchors to keep the bond steady. Emphasize collaboration in your pursuits, fostering a sense of partnership beyond the challenges faced. This teamwork will not only enrich your relationship, but also provide a shared sense of purpose that strengthens your emotional ties over time. Embracing this dynamic truly reflects the spirit of marriage, where both partners actively contribute to the journey ahead, making it a fulfilling and rewarding endeavor. Consider how important it is to cultivate a shared vision for your life together, recognizing that alignment in goals can prevent disillusionment down the road. The journey of marriage isn't just about two individuals cohabiting. It's about nurturing a unified direction that both people actively contribute to and evolve with. As you embark on this commitment, evaluate how your aspirations intermingle with one another, creating a tapestry rich in experiences, dreams, and adventures. By setting common objectives, couples can maintain excitement and purpose in their partnership, transforming everyday moments into opportunities for growth. Acknowledge that the road may not always be smooth. There will be bumps, unexpected detours, and uncharted territories along the way. However, the strength of your bond will emerge from your ability to confront these challenges as a united front. Embrace flexibility and understanding as you navigate life's unpredictable twists and turns, knowing that each hurdle offers a chance to strengthen your connection. Construct a roadmap that celebrates each milestone achieved, providing motivation during tough times. Through shared triumphs, whether big or small, your partnership can flourish and evolve into something truly special over the years. Recognize that growth often stems from discomfort, and navigating through the complexities will further enrich your relationship. When faced with challenges, it's essential to remember that enduring them together creates resilience, fostering deeper respect and admiration for one another. Additionally, ensure that moments of joy and celebration are woven into your narrative. They serve as powerful reminders of the love you share and the journey you chose together. Weathering storms can illuminate the significance of partnership, revealing strengths you might not have known existed within your bond. Celebrate the milestones, both big and small, as a testament to your collective endurance and commitment. Each year marks not just the passage of time, but the shared experiences that shape your family's story, reinforcing the beauty of the journey. When faced with the unpredictable, lean on the foundation you've built, nurturing it with affection and intention. This conscious effort transforms marriage into not just a contract, but a lifelong adventure, filled with moments worth cherishing and lessons that bind you closer together, invigorating your connection. As the years unfold, remember that marriage is a beautiful dance of togetherness, where both partners continuously learn and adapt. Embrace the journey of growth side by side, fostering an environment where dreams flourish and goals are pursued as a team. Every experience, from shared challenges to joyful celebrations, contributes to the rich tapestry of your life together, reinforcing the love and commitment that bind you. Stay committed to nurturing your relationship, and acknowledge that each step brings you closer to understanding the true essence of partnership. As you journey forward, may your choices reflect intention and resilience, ensuring that your love story remains vibrant and fulfilling for years to come. As you approach the promise of forever, remember to celebrate each moment together, recognizing that the little things often carry significant weight. Each act of kindness can serve as a reminder of why you chose this path together. Embrace both the joyous and challenging times, learning how to navigate life's complexities side by side. In conclusion, embarking on the journey of marriage is a profound commitment that requires thoughtful consideration, open communication, and resilience. By appreciating the delicate balance of love, trust, and shared dreams, couples can navigate life's challenges together, fostering a bond that not only endures but thrives. If this made you think, it was meant to. Drop your perspective in the comments. Not everyone will agree, and that's the point. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone who might need it. Thank you for your time. This is Eddie Okieri, Daily Dose. See you in the next part.